Anti-villain, back again with another reaction video. And it's a music reaction. Not just any music reaction video. A music video reaction video. Oh, that's like Inception, I'm not gonna lie, dude. Anti-villain. Finally, he's back. I know everyone's very excited that I'm back. Very excited. To the 8 people who watched this video. I know you're super excited that I'm back, you know what I'm saying? And I know you're excited for this reaction. Some of y'all really wanted this one. This is the Krusty Krew Anthem by Mr. Krabs himself. I always knew Mr. Krabs was a bag chaser. But I didn't know he was chasing the bag so bad he wanted to become a rapper. So I'm excited to see what Mr. Krabs can do on these beats. You know what I'm saying? I'm very excited. And I hope you're excited too. So make sure to like and subscribe, because we're hopping straight into this reaction. And if it's heat, I'm going to get lit. You feel me? We're hopping straight into this. Krusty Krew Anthem by Mr. Krabs. Let's go. Like the beat so far. Let's go.
Son. Better be hot or snack my out.
Is this any way to behave?
What's my name?
Can we show a little decency and form a neat single file line in front of the register?
Hurry up!
Brand new bag for bro, but I didn't pay for it. I don't like spending that cash cause I'm trying to savor it. Secret formula, I went and put flavor in. I do not fuck with no pleasures, I can't let no haters in. Sponge boy, get back on the grill. The customers already waiting, they already paid for the meal. Squidward, you been through the deal. Keep watch for that little boy that's plotting on me, I know he gon' steal. Ain't all days on foreplay. Go get some tissues. Krusty Krew counted the mess. Mess with the game, you get all of these extras. I just been counting this money. I just left to the bank cause it's funny. Not selling no patties, that's Jimmy. Nope, I open my doors, they start running. It's an event when we open doors just like the bubble ball. Patties are fish, they are never cold. That's something that plankton will never know. That's something for plankton I'll never show. Some buckets of place that I'll never go. This ice on my wrist will forever glow. They counting you out cause I ran the pole. If he talking to Crow, I got 13 words to say to him. Ain't no more customers up in this restaurant, you know there's no saving him. They can barely get by, he eating holograms, living a lot. We kicking him out if he step on the spot. They're watching me flourish, I'm watching them rot. Brand new bag for bro, but I didn't pay for it. I don't like spending that cash cause I'm trying to savor it. Secret formula, I went and put flavor in. I do not fuck with no pleasures, I can't let no haters in. Sponge boy, get back on the grill. The customers already waiting, they already paid for the meal. Squidward, you been through the deal. Keep watch for that little boy that's plotting on me, I know he gon' steal.
Krusty Krew this bitch again. Plenty, I got nothing in the baby baby. That's a whole bunch of stars you can't steal. Whatever, we are this bitch.
That was fire. Is it over? I think it's over. That was fire. I have to admit, that was heat. Big heat. I'll give it a 8 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Krabs has got some bars there. Even Squirrel got a little bit of bars. SpongeBob didn't really have any bars there. You know what I'm saying? Patrick didn't have any bars. Plankton didn't say anything. You know what I'm saying? Where was Pearl? Where was Sandy? You know what I'm saying, dude? But overall, it was pretty fire. So I gave it an 8 out of 10. But you're going to have to let me know what you thought of it in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Did you like it? Did you like this reaction to it? Please let me know. Please tell me. Please. I hope you like this video. Anti-villain. Another reaction video. In the bag.